Hi everyone! I recently received these comments on my videos. It's an attack I wasn't familiar with until now. Messages like these often look something like this. Can someone help me? I'm having trouble with a crypto transfer and can't figure out why it's not working. Here's my password. But how is this supposed to be a scam? No malicious link is shared and it doesn't look like phishing because they don't ask for anything. Even better, they are providing something. What's behind this? This seed phrase, consisting of 12 words, can be seen as a password that ensures access to a wallet. A wallet is essentially an account for cryptocurrencies. Normally, with these words, a wallet can be opened and transactions can be made. So let's take a look at this wallet. There's absolutely no danger in doing so. It's just a crypto account that we can open using the provided password. For this, I downloaded the OKX add-in and opened the account with the seed phrase from the comment. And yes, there's a significant amount of money in there. But what's the catch? Can't I just transfer these cryptos to my own wallet? Yes, with traditional wallets, this is usually possible. But in this case, we would get an error. This coin needs another coin to pay for transactions. This means that we must first transfer an amount of this specific coin to this wallet. Once that's done, the crypto transaction should theoretically work, but it will fail again. Trust me, even if enough transaction fees are available. This happens because the wallet has a form of two-factor authentication. This means multiple passwords are required for transactions. The one password provided is only enough to view the account, but not to perform any transactions. This type of wallet is called a multisig wallet. The victim ends up losing their transaction fees, which they have already transferred to the account. Typically, this isn't a huge amount and doesn't cause significant damage. The wallet owner also ensures that these transaction fees are quickly transferred to another account, creating the impression that the transaction failed due to no coins for the fees. In the end, the person who fell for the scam was also attempting to benefit from the situation. So, who's truly to blame? The scammer who set the trap? Or the person who tried to steal someone else's cryptocurrency? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!